Hello.
Tyler, it's Jen again.
What up, Jen? How are you, girl?
I'm good. How are you?
Doing amazing.
Good. So, real quick question. It's easier to ask than type.
Every time, all day, every day.
Yeah. So, from a workout standpoint, when looking at my calories, I do 6 days a week, pretty high cardio weight. You know, I kind of mix it up a little bit. Some days are straight cardio, some days are straight weight, some days it's a little bit of a mix for about an hour a day. I do it at home. A couple of my girlfriends and I have now started to go to the actual in-person classes. So like yesterday, for example, I worked out in the morning and then I worked out in the evening.
So you're doing 2-a-days?
Well, not often. Like once, probably for sure, maybe twice a week. But like I burnt through, according to my watch, like 1,800 calories yesterday. And I'm only at, well, not only, but I'm at 2,000, 2,100 for like my goal. Is there ever an instance where I need to up my calories? Like I don't want to underfeed myself because I'm working out extra.
All right, I'm gonna run your calories again for you. So I'm gonna go in depth on this one. This was way easier for you calling in than trying to do this over text.
That's why I called.
All right, what's your weight at?
195.
195, and let everybody know how much weight you've lost already.
What was I at? 7 pounds in a week so far.
7 pounds in a week, craziness.
Yeah.
All right, and you increased your calories.
We did increase them, yeah.
You started at what?
Weight-wise or
calories?
calorie-wise?
When you called me, how many calories were you doing?
1,600.
And now you're doing 2,200?
Yep.
And now you're down 7 pounds in a week.
Yep.
Love it. How old are you?
44.
I'm just saying it so everyone else hears it.
I know.
How tall are you?
5'7".
5'7". All right. So so we're working out 6 days a week.
Mm-hmm.
And we're doing... I already have you on the third activity level.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, your weight changed. You gave me the new weight because we were over 200, right?
Yes.
That's why. I'm like, oh, our calories aren't there. Okay, so I wouldn't change it. Keep it at 22. Don't change it.
Okay.
Okay, so when you do the 2-a-days, you're just doing it twice a week?
At max, yes.
Okay, so then we do like a class at the gym and then you go back to the gym and do cardio, or are you doing weights?
It depends. So it's kind of like it's like dance fitness, for lack of a better term. It's kind of like
Zumba?
It's called beatboxing. Like it's boxing, dance, but they do some straight just weight training as well. So like I kind of calendar it out. Like I'll do all cardio one day, I'll do cardio weights one day, I'll do all weights one day, I'll do some kettlebells one day. Like I do something different every day, but it's pretty high intensity. I average anywhere between 400 and 700 calorie burn per workout.
Gotcha. Okay, so that's the workout class, or what's the workout class?
It is the workout class. So she does it. She has a gym and she also offers it like from an online library. So I do a little bit of both, but it's the same workout that I'm doing at home and at the gym.
Okay, so then when you go home and do it, do you do another? Okay, so what's the other workout if you do 2-a-days?
If I do 2-a-days, usually it's both like a mix of cardio and weights both times.
All right, stick to 2,200.
Okay.
Definitely.
Right, good enough. Yeah, I just didn't want to, I looked at, because I use Lose It and not MyFitnessPal, it's just a little more aesthetically pleasing.
Yeah, whatever easier for you. I don't care how people track as long as you're actually tracking.
Yeah, but when I looked at, and I finished my logging yesterday, I was at, 176 net calories for the whole day, and I was like, ugh, I don't want to, I don't want to be killing myself exercising. I'm not doing, I'm doing it to lose weight, obviously, but I'm doing it because it just makes me feel better. But I looked at that and I was like, oh crap, maybe I do need to up it when I'm kind of going these 2-a-days. But if you say no, I'm going to stick to, I wasn't hungry. It wasn't that I felt like I was deprived. I don't want to underfeed myself.
Yeah, you're golden at 2,200. I have you on the third activity level. I thought I had you on the second, so I really had you on the third. So that's what's going on. I wouldn't change it.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Hey, you took before photos, right?
I did.
Okay, good. I wanna make sure you take them on the 4th week.
You got it. I will do that.
Awesome. Have an amazing weekend.
You too. Thanks, Tyler.
You got it. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Heard it firsthand, ladies and gents, doing like 1,200 calories or whatever. She 1,500, 1,200, went up to 2,200. She's down 7 pounds in 1 week.